All right, here we go. I'm gonna turn on the batteries, alternators, beacons on. We're gonna shove everything forward. And this is a cold start. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, I think you can see. I don't know, it's hard to tell. It's hard to tell. Anyways, here's what we're gonna do. We're waiting for the screens to boot up. I'm gonna slide up another notch right there. There we go. Waiting for my screens. I'm gonna start the left one first. So here's the left fuel pump. I'm gonna go to low, listen, high, watch for it to peak out. There it goes, turn it off. Throttle comes back, and then I crack it to where I think it's gonna be about 1,000 RPMs, and then we're gonna crank it. Carol on the left, clear. Cranks up nice. We got oil pressures coming up. We can go ahead and get our blower going just to give us a little air. Now we're going to do the same to the right side. I'm going to prime it. I can't hear the low, so I just go right to high. Peaks out, back to idle. Crack it a little bit. Clear on the right. And as it comes up, I pull it back to 1,000 RPM. We got oil pressure. We'll get our avionics on.
TOS system test, okay.
All right. Turn on my noise canceling.
49 X-ray, turn left in our left base for runway 5 right, runway 5 right.
That's it for now.
Turning left base, 5 right, 5 right.
All right, I'm gonna step this through. And now we're gonna taxi out of the way just so they don't have to listen to me running right here. So that's it for now. I'm gonna load everything.
TOS system
12
test,
o'clock, about
okay.
1 mile. Turning southeastbound is the other guy that was in the pattern. He's going to runway 5 right.
Actually, I'm gonna get over here and I'll show you guys how I load the flight plan real quick.
01 Golf, runway 5 left, clear for the option. After the beach option, make left close traffic.
5 left, clear for the option. Upon completion, left close traffic, 01 Golf.
We'll get over here out of the way. I'm gonna pull this, stand by to, and then release it slowly. I'm not gonna snap it because you don't wanna, it's very delicate. We don't wanna pop the gyro or anything. All right, here's my clearance. I'm looking at a PDC clearance on my phone. We're cleared to Beaufort 3,000, expect 7. So I'm going to set my altitude of 3,000. We'll hit our go around button to pull up our flight director. I'm going to hit the brakes right here. Pull our power back just a little. And then we're going to load my squawk by hitting transponder, hit code, and it's 7243, 7243. So that's in there. And then I'm going to come over here and hit flight plan. We're just going to put Beaufort right there. K MRH. MRH, all right? Boom, it's in there. So that's good. Our oil temperatures are good. We're well into the green. So let's do this. I want to show you guys. I'm going to run it up. 1,700 RPMs on each side. And just somewhere close, right? Just somewhere close. We're going to do the mag checks on one engine. Left, both, right, back to both, left, both, right, both. So it's all running good. Our mags are good. Run it up to 2,200 RPMs. Cycle the prop. And 1,500 RPM. We'll do our feather check. And you got to pull it over the gate for it to feather, but you don't want it to drop more than 300 RPM. So you got to do it kind of quickly, and then we'll pull it back to 1,000, and I'll do my enunciator test, which checks those lights. All right. That's it. Let's look right up here.
49 X-ray, make right close.
All right, what ATC have we got? We got Charlie. 2995 is our altimeter setting. We'll set it both places. All right, I'm ready to taxi. Ground bearing 683 Delta Delta is ready to taxi from Corey with Charlie, like 14 if I could get it.
November 683 Delta Delta, Greensboro ground, runway 14, taxi via Alpha, advise when you have information Delta.
14 via Alpha, we'll pick up Delta, 683 Delta. All right, that's a lot of Deltas.
0.18, up
Greensboro ground, 969
Delta 5 right, 5 left in use. Adams, taxiway Delta 2 closed. Runway 23 left, S spells out of service. November 969 Sierra Delta, Greensboro ground, standby 17. Portion of taxiway hotel between taxiway hotel 4 and taxiway Echo, portion of the approach on the runway 23 right, and a portion of the traffic pattern parallel to the approach on the runway 23 right. Bird activity in the vicinity of the airport, read back all runway hold short instructions, contact ground on 121.9er for clearance and taxi instructions. November 969 Sierra Delta, ground say request.
969 Sierra Delta, requesting flight following to 3 option 4.
010 at 4,
AR PA 28, information Delta
5000, temperature 23, dew point 18, altimeter 299.5,
and 3,500.
5 right, 5 left in use. Adams, taxiway Delta 2 closed. Runway 2. Over 969 Sierra Delta, maintain VFR at below 3000 until advised. Departure frequencies 126.6. Squawk Fife 112.
Squawk 5112, approach 116, 9er Sierra Delta.
November 969 Sierra Delta, just reback maintain VFR at or below 3000 until advised.
At or below 3,000, so advised, 9 Sierra Delta.
November 969 Sierra Delta, reback correct, advised, ready to taxi with information Delta.
And ground 3 Delta Delta has Delta.
Roger.
Tower bearing 683 Delta Delta is ready for departure 14.
49 X-ray, just continue downwind. I'm going to depart somebody off of 14 real quick. I'll call your base.
Continue downwind,
What are you talking about me?
Bearing 683 Delta Delta, Greensboro Tower, runway 14, clear direct forehead, cleared for takeoff, wind 360 at 8.
Okay, clear for takeoff 14 and on course. 683 Delta Delta. All right, here we go. We're going to hurry because he was nice enough to get us out. We'll keep it rolling. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Here we go. Power's coming up.
X-ray, you can start space whenever you're comfortable. Runway 5 right,
Power
clear for
set.
the option.
Roger that.
Everything's in the green. Airspeed's alive. Looking for 85. There's 5. Or rotate. The rate. Gear's coming up. Lights off. Y'all damp on. I'll expect to 2500 or 20.
Traffic.
2490. Disregard, he's on the ground.
Bearing 3 Delta Delta, do you even need the GPS to find Moorhead anymore?
I think the plane goes there on its own. I don't even touch anything.
I bet so. Contact departure. Have a good one.
Over to departure. 3 Delta Delta. Thank you. For departure, bearing 683 Delta Delta is 1800, climbing 3000, direct both.
Bearing 683 Delta Delta, Greensboro departure, radar contact, climb maintain 7000.
7000, 3 Delta Delta. Alright, 7 is set. Power back a little. Trim. Alright, we'll turn on autopilot. George, take over. I'm going to lean my mixtures back to the little blue CN marker. You guys can see that right here, the little blue CN marker is what I'm leaning to.
As I climb, those trickle down and I just match them up. Pretty simple. All right, well, stay tuned. We'll see you when we get closer to the approach phase.